we're gonna unbox some Bakugan! We have Drago, we have HYDOROUS, but it's a little bit ripped, and we have Pegatrix!
Yeah.
And they're in the normal fractions, Eos, Pyrus, and Arcos. The normal fractions! They're from Bakugan Armored Alliances.
Okay, let's
Right
open
there.
them.
Zafir, which one should we unbox first?
HYDOROUS.
Okay, then let's move these guys to the side.
This is HYDOROUS.
In its regular form. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, we have HYDOROUS. We have the cards here. Take them out. Sellotape. I don't like that. So the gate card right here has a picture of Shun, the Aquos, and HYDOROUS. Looks pretty cool. Zafir, does it look cool?
Yeah.
Looks really cool. The back, and they're like big giant cores. You can roll your Bakugan on them too. Okay, guys, here we have Aquos. This is the Aquos symbol. HYDOROUS. It says it comes with
No
the
fist.
helix, and this is the green fist, and it shows on top of the card. It says if you want to battle, you need these two cores to battle with the Bakugan.
And this is HYDOROUS.
Yes, like the name, HYDOROUS. And look at the pictures, guys. It looks so cool. It's like a lion. Okay, it is a lion. Looks so cool. And guys, it has
And the toy looks like a rat.
Yeah, look at the toy. It looks like a little rat. It doesn't look like an actual lion. It looks like a little version of a lion and a rat. It looks so cute and funky. And it has 400 B power, also known as health, and 4 attack.
Yeah.
Guys, the helix, if you land, Zafir, what's this number?
500.
Yeah, so guys, if you land on a
And
helix,
this is 5.
guys, if you land on the helix, this one right here, you get an extra 500 B power, and that means if this guy lands on a helix, it could go up to 900 health and 9 attack. That's so big. Now let's show you the back. Here on the back shows all the fractions like symbols.
Ventus, Darkest, Aquos, Pyrus, Eos,
And
Always.
always. And a cool sign showing Bakugan. Of course, it shows +1 frost on the helix and +2 attack.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now,
Let's see the Bakugan.
okay, guys, here we have HYDOROUS. All the light blue, the dark blue, the orange. Looks so cool. And guys, here we have the fraction logo. Some people don't like it, but I like it. So some people know the fraction by the color, but some people don't know by the color. So they want the fraction symbol to know. This is the Aquos fraction symbol, and it's Aquos because it's blue. Blue for water. Aquos means water. Now let's see how to close it. So guys, first, guys, Zafir's gonna show you how to close it. Always, he does very fast. Oh my god! Okay, guys, let me show you the proper way. So, yay! So first you put the head down. You push the tail in. You connect the head with the body. Then you push. So you turn these claws around and push them inside. Push. Then you got the ball form. Now get the core. Let's try to roll it. Okay, guys, let's teach him a trick. Guys, look at the arrow. Zafir was rolling like that because you're not supposed to. You have to put it around and put where the arrow rolls. So where the arrow's pointing, you roll it that way. So always follow the trusty arrow. Okay, let me try. No, guys, Zafir's gonna show you how to roll it. So, oh, he's shy. Okay, let me try. Okay, 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Yes! So you have HYDOROUS, Zafir. Which one should we unbox first? Next?
The Pegatrix.
Okay, guys, here we have Pegatrix, Eos form, its core version, its normal version. So let's unbox it. Let's get right to it, Zafir.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, here we have Eos Pegatrix. It says you need a flaming fist. Right here, a flaming fist and a magic shield to battle with this. And the flaming fist has +5 attack. And let's see what the magic shield. Ooh, the magic shield's a trap. -500 B power to your Bakugan. That's a really bad trap. I mean, really good trap. If you want to trap your opponents, make sure they get this one because that's a good trap. Okay, and Pegatrix Ao's Pegatrix has 400 beat power and 5 attack. Aw, too sad, too bad. Pegatrix doesn't have an ability. Guys, look at the picture. Looks like an angel, but it's a unicorn. Looks cool, right, Zafir?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like an angel next to the unicorn. Looks so cool. Now, let's get to the
That's
gift card.
Leah and that's Pegatrix.
Yeah, this is Pegatrix's brawler, Leah, and a Pegatrix.
Here's
Picture.
the AO sign,
Guys.
and it says Bakugan.
Guys, this sign is Aos. Aos means light. It says Bakugan over the lions. Guys, this is a gate card. You can use this as a big giant core. So these have metal in them, so they're like big giant cores. They're so cool. Now we have, okay guys, here we have Aos Pegatrix. It shows the Aos sign right there. Well, Aos, like almost all Bakugan and Armadillites have these faction symbols. They're kind of helpful. Look at the wings. It looks so cool. The light blue. What's this color right here? It looks like light blue mixed with green. Comment down below if you know this color. I think it's turquoise. This looks more like light blue. This looks kind of like turquoise.
No, it's
I like the white with it. The wings look. I'm gonna close the Bakugan for you again.
Okay, so you did this, and this.
Okay, that was too fast. Now I'm gonna show you. It is my turn. So first, you put the wings down, then the feet, two little feet. You push the body up and then down. Then you push the head and then the tail. Oh, okay. Let me do that again. So feet, wings,
He's gonna
body,
do it
tail,
all
head.
again.
So that's how you do it.
That's so slow.
Okay, now let's try to roll it.
Yeah, nice and fast.
Go, Zafir. Let's try on the gate card first.
Yeah, it's so giant.
3,
3,
2, 1,
1,
Bakugan
Bakugan
roll!
roll.
Yay! Now it's my turn to try the cores, because they're harder. So let's close the Bakugan. Okay. 3, 2.
You're embarrassing me.
Okay, Zafir, ready?
Yeah.
3,
3,
2, 1, Bakugan roll! Oh, 3, 2.
No, you have to do the triangle.
Oh yeah, the arrow. I forgot. That's the reason why I'm missing. 3, 2,
Do
1.
the arrow.
Oh yeah, I am using the arrow like that.
No,
Okay,
you don't.
3, 2, 1, Bakugan roll. Yeah. Wait, what? Did it pick up 2? Oh guys, this Bakugan can pick up 2 Bakugan. That's so cool.
Yeah. Oh my god.
That's amazing. That's epic. Oh no, guys, some Bakugan can carry up 2 cores, but sometimes they can only do it a little bit. So sometimes you have to be very careful when you're doing that. Or one of the Bakugans will fall off and you don't get 2 cores. Okay guys, now let's get up to the next Bakugan. Guys, it's the moment. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. Our leader, the hero, Drago. Let's unbox him. Okay guys, here we have Drago. Drago has
200 health and 4 attack.
And guys, look, the dragon looks so cool. It's like he's talking to the bad guys. Come on, take me on. I'm gonna defeat you. And then he used Pirate's Tornado. That's Drago's strongest move. It looks epic. He's like in a city protecting everybody and defeating the bad guys. And it's like, and his face is like, bring it on. I'm gonna defeat you all bad guys. It looks so cool. I love the spikes on his feet, his face, his horn is golden shiny. The chest, the emerald chest, that's my favorite part. It looks so shiny. The green, I like the touch of green. The green makes it look nice. And by the way, dark green is Zafir's favorite color, and red is my favorite. Red, the pirate sign, Dragonoid. I like to call it Drago. That's easier. It says you need 2 green fish, to battle with this guy, and it comes with 400 B power and 4 attack. And guys, if you see, if you land on a green fish, you get plus. What's this number, Zafir?
400.
No, this number right here.
6.
Yeah, if you land on a green fish, you get plus 6 attack. That's a lot. Now let's see behind green fish. One green fish has minus 2 attack, and another has plus 50 B power and plus 2 attack. These are not really good Bakugans because green fists, they're kind of like the weakest Bakugans. And if you see on the geek card, you have a picture of Drago's brawler, then the leader of the awesome brawlers. Those are the characters signed Bakugan Armored Alliance. Because it's obviously from Bakugan Armored Alliance. Shows the pirate symbol, my favorite symbol because I love fire and red is my favorite color. Here we have Drago with a cool looking orange. Okay, so here we have I thought your favorite Bakugan was trucks, Zafir.
I do.
Oh, so you like trucks and hydras?
Yeah.
Okay, so in here we have the toy. I like the orange, it looks so good with the red, shiny red. It shows the fraction symbol, pirates right there. The touch of green on the legs, looks really nice.
Guys, I have the hydras here.
Look guys, Zafir has the hydras because it's his favorite Bakugan in this video.
Yeah,
and this is my favorite Bakugan in the video. I like the touch of green nice. The red looks...
And guys, we were so excited.
Yeah, we were so excited to unbox these Bakugan. I like almost destroyed all the boxes. So the red looks so epic. It's amazing. And if you didn't know, the horn can go up and down. I like the horn when it's curling back because it looks cooler. You can pop the head out. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. Hello. It's sleeping. It looks kind of like a turtle when you do this. Now
it looks like a turtle like with a horn.
Look, when you do this, it looks kind of like a unicorn. Boom. It looks like a sword. Stab. Stab. Horn stab. Guys, Zafir, it's your turn to roll on the geek card. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Okay, let's try again. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Yay! Let's put the horn up. Shing. Okay. Shaw, Ra, Drago, Pirates. Okay, I don't like when the horn's going all the way. I like it curved.
I like it all the way.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Pick a
Z. Let's try to do with the chords. Okay, Zafir, ready?
3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Oh, so cool.
3, 2, 1,
Bakugan
Brawl. Yay! Guys,
put the horn up.
Okay, guys, this one's really easy to roll. I think I'll put it in my team because this one's really easy to roll. It's easier than Pegatrix and Hydras, and it's our boy Dragonoid. Okay, let's call it Dragon for now. It's easier to say.
Dragonoid.
That really rhymes. Guys, when it opens, the wings just go up. It looks like it's gonna fly. Look, that's because it.
Okay.
Horn down,
Down.
head, tail, feet, and wings.
You can also close it in different ways.
Okay, I'll show you how to close it first. Okay, let's put the horn down. Okay, and then put the head. Okay. Okay, actually first put the wings, the feet. I'm getting confused. Then the body, the wings, the tail, then the head. Then you got it opened. You got it opened. We're gonna have a battle. First, Hydras versus Pegatrix, and whoever wins gets to battle the leader, Drago. So let's get right into it. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Oh! I got Bakugan. Zafir didn't. That means I got 1 point. And that means Pegatrix goes on to battle Drago. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Okay, let's see what we do. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Oh, it's a tie. Let's do that again. Guys, let's do this.
3,
2, 1, Bakugan roll! Oh! I opened up, we did not! That means Drago is still the champion! And all hail its glory. Drago. Drago is the winner! I'll never let Drago down. He's the strongest Bakugan. Okay, let's put his horn up. Oop. There we go.
No.
That's it for this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.